What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install sequential LED for the side mirror. Alright, so let's do it. Alright guys, so I've been waiting for this for a long time. So today we're gonna replace this light with an LED, and it's a sequential, so it moves the light, it moves like a sequential. So this one, let's open the box first, but it's gonna look great. Alright, so let's install these LEDs. Okay, these are the LEDs, so let's unbox it. And let me see if I can with one hand. So I got this from Amazon. Let's see. Wow, man. Okay, you can see it. Oh man, love it. So it's black. That's why I am very excited. I've been looking for a long time to get this in black. You can see it. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna leave the plastic because I don't want to scratch them, and let's install this one. So it comes with one pair for both sides, and the price is $30 for this on Amazon. So the link is gonna be on the description of the video. This will fit the 2014 till 2019 Corolla and other models. I'm gonna put the models for the fitment on the description of the video too. Okay, so you can check the list if this will fit your Toyota. Okay, so let's install this thing. All right, let me explain a little bit. To get this one, to remove this one, we have to remove this plastic cover, okay? And then this one has a clip. You have to move this one, and with a thin screwdriver you have to pull the clip. I'm gonna put a video on how I did it before. Because it has a clip. Let me show you. You can see here, okay, two clips are holding this thing, one here and one here. Okay, you only have to unclip these two and then you can get it off. All right, so let's do that next. Here's the light. Let's see. Let me remove this thing. Okay, you can see it right here. Let's see how hard is the connection. Let me see. Connection. It's like a little bit. Okay. It looks like the connection is a little bit longer. So before I put everything back, let's try this. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works. Woo! I love it. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm happy. I'm happy. So this one is put like this. That's it. Just you have to hear the clip. Everything is fine. Now let's put the cover back. Let me clean it real good before I put it. Ooh, a lot of dust. This one. Yes, so it's very easy. Love it, it's black. You can see it right there. See, oh, forgot the front. Oh man, didn't put it right. Hold on. I didn't put it correctly. It's off on the top. So, have to remove it again. It's a little bit hard. This clip is very strong. You need to get a thin, something thinner than this, like a squeegee, to lift this, because space is very thin, very tight. Like this one. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. To push here. Yeah. So after you push here, so now put the top part and then okay. So this part has to be flush with the plastic, with the black plastic. Okay. Sorry, it's a little bit dirty, but now let's see the difference. All right, now let me put the hazardous light to see the difference. This is the LED, new LED, and this one is the OEM light. Okay, you can see it there. Wow, love it. And now let's see regular bulb, the stock bulb. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky because it has two clips, one on the top and one on the bottom. So you have to lift both clips at the same time, and you need a longer screwdriver to reach it, and then lift one and then lift the other one. But it's not hard, but you have to lift both clips. Okay, so now this one is removed, so let's put the new one. It looks the same thing, but the connection, it doesn't go all the way. I don't know why, but if you see both lights, they are the same thing, but the connection, it doesn't go all the way in. I don't know why, but it will work. You can see it right here. So this you see the clip, well, yeah, it works, but you have to push hard, maybe because it's new. And this one has one lip here. This lip has to go under this lip. Okay, so like this, like this. That's it. And just push. That's it. And now put the cover back. When you're removing the cover, try to put the trim tool in this area. It's easier in this area. Okay, make sure this is flush with the plastic first, then push it. That's it. Let's try it. Try it again. Yes. All right, you can see it right there. Also, one more thing, they want hyper flash. See, let me see, they're already on both. Okay, so no hyper flashing. Okay, so don't worry for hyper flashing with these LEDs. Alright guys, those are the LEDs for the side mirrors. They are sequential LEDs for the side mirrors for the Toyota Corolla. It will fit more cars. I'm gonna put the list of the fitment on the description of the video and the link for those LEDs. Okay, I got them from Amazon. Okay, so let me know what you guys think about this. They look great, they looks amazing, I love them. That was a missing piece that I was looking for this for a long time. Okay, so now we got those. They are black, they are smoked, yellow, and sequential. Amazing. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments, and if you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.